Alright, welcome back to video 2. So we still have that running here, and I'm going to show you the added part that I added personally. So it's under extra work. You basically just hit a number, so let's say 5, type in 6, I put in the number text input, and then what you do, you hit multiply. And here I ran into a few errors getting a alert message to pop up with the answer. Although checking the answer here and just printing that out, it does come up with 30. You can change it each time to multiply whatever you want. So let's just do something outrageous. So it's 32. I don't know what that answer is, but it's that. So the math does work. I just couldn't get the pop-up alert message to show. Alright, thank you.